Okay, it's Fat Stormtrooper from Daft Chicken Gaming. Today we're going to do some unboxing of the quarantine crates. Now, recently on the chat, somebody was talking about whether or not you could still unbox the Nebula effect, and I guess this is the only crate that it's really been in. So these are the other items I have in the quarantine collection. I have the Abduction Corona Australis. I have a Shooting Star, which is a Commando grade sniper rifle. I've got the Rocket Operator, which is Commando Star, and I've got a few other universal translators, but I've got a Galactic Codex in that, and I've got also the Nebula effect in that. So I mean, obviously this is the premium hat because it is a MISC. That is, you can put it in with other hats. And it's the Nebula effect hat is probably one of the god tier items. So without further ado, I guess we should do some unboxing. Now the question was basically whether or not these crates were still able to be open. Now there are no dates on them or no events, so my idea is that they probably are. There are only about 400 on the community market, and there's probably less than there was only like certainly less than 100, probably about 60 keys, and some of them are phenomenally expensive. So obviously the limitation in unboxing these is how much the supply of keys you can get and how much for. So let's have a look at this. Open with the key. Are you sure you want to open this case? Yep, I'm sure. A universal translator. Oh, first unbox is in fact the unusual steaming. A steaming shit translator. Oh my god. First freaking unbox is a fucking unusual. That is so fucking epic, man. Oh man. Back. Well, you can still unbox them. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go here and unbox the next one. Open with the key. Oh, come on. Let's have a look here and see if we get an unusual. Oh, Final Frontiersman. I've always hated those pants. I've already got some. So, but, you know, I guess you need one for each day of the week if you're going to get really dirty and shitty, you know. But anyway, fuck. Let's open it up. So if you catch me drinking, I'm trying to... Somebody suggested that every time you say an ah, I should have a swig of... I think they were talking about vodka. But I'm actually going to use this Cognac XO Remington. That's fucking nice stuff. Fucking expensive too, but anyway. Certainly makes you want to say more often. Or or whatever. Oh, Manco, man up. Or, alternatively, you can get another Final Frontiersman. This is, I can't really complain because I'm unusual. Yes, I can actually, but still. The Final Frontiersman. Manco. Oh, strange counter. And we've got the Phobos filter with nothing. Okay. Can you be sure that we're going to get what we want? Oh, that's a strange shooting star, which is nice because my existing one was only a shooting star, but that's a strange shooting star, so it's sort of, it's upgraded my weapon, even though I'm not particularly a sniper sort of guy. The Phobos filter. Yeah, one of those is okay, but like 50 million of them is a bit freaking onerous. Oh, 50 million at one. Fucking Phobos. Phobos. The moon of Mars. So when the war god moons you, it's a Phobos. No, it's not. Anyway. I think did I say I might have. Oh, that's good cognac. Ooh. Not one of those. Oh, that's going to drive me to drink more of the cognac. Oh. Cream. Get on top, cream. You will stop. Okay. Okay, what can we... We've already got one unusual, and people would say, hey man, you've got your fair share, stop being greedy. A backpack expander. Oh yes. Oh! A sucker slug. That's a rocket operator. I've already got that. So I'm not going to go out and empty-handed because I've got an unusual on the first unbox, but I wouldn't mind getting another unusual. But I don't know how my luck is going to be here. Certainly, I will never run out of Phobos filters. Oh, universal translator. But not this time, not an unusual. Okay, what else can we find on the boxes? Oh, a life support system. OMG. Cringe. 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 Ah, dark salmon injustice. All those salmon sort of heading back up in the rivers in North America to be eaten by those fucking great bears. That's pink salmon injustice. Oh. Whoa, man. I know you want to do this for me. I'm not feeling the love here. Not feeling the love at all. How about this one here? Open with a key. Translator. Come on, guys. Phobos filter. It's a pity you can't make a collector's Phobos filter. Ah, shooting star again. That's not bad, really. I mean, oh, strange Captain Spaceman, but not unusual. What do you got strange there? But anyway. What else can we have? Phobos filter. Phobos filter. Ah. Some paint. Guess what? We got a Phobos filter. Yay! Not really. Holy shit. Oh, but no unusual. Could you imagine if that was an unusual? That would be so fucking way cool, man. Oh my god. You fucking people. Oh, sorry. You disturb people. I think I said so I'm going to have some more cognac. Yeah, that's good shit. Wow. Wow. Some paint. And a Phobos filter. Open with a key. Am I sure I want to open it? Well, of course not. If I'm going to get that shit. Open with a key. This could be the last thing. I'm just going to change the order a bit. Because I think I might get a life support system. Fringe. Okay, we can do this. Oh, I thought just for a second it was going to pop unusual then. I sort of got a bit more... I don't know. Oh, no, 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 you bastards. Strange Phobos filter. I don't want those, man. I want a fucking unusual. I got one. I guess 1 out of 50 is not bad on average. 1 on 50 is not bad. But oh god. The rocket operator. Rocket Man. Shit, that's crap. Open with a key. Birding team captain, only joking. Translator. Shit, man. It seems like I could have just quit with the first one. Although the strange shooting star, I guess, is worthwhile. Come on, open with a key. That is really fucking disturbing. Open with a key. Ugh. I'm not even gonna comment on that shit. Shit, man. Come on! Holy shit, man. 2 more. And I'm not gonna put, I don't think I'll pull a nebula out of my ass for these. This is a lucky one. Nebula. Could this be nebula? Is it worth hitting that button, or I'm just gonna get a Phobos filter? Captain Spaceman. I just thought for 1 second God would be kind, that would be a nebula. But anyway, I did get one unusual out of this unboxing fiasco, and that was the item here, which is the steaming effect. I've already got this Galactic Codex and Nebula, so I've got 3 of them, but the steaming effect's okay, I guess. And at the end of the day, I did unbox unusual, so you can unbox invasion crates. They are just hard to get, and the prices are probably higher than you'd like. So theoretically, you could unbox a Nebula effect, but it would involve a decent outlay in money. So I'll go to the loadout. we'll go to a loadout in, say, Demo Man, and I don't know, maybe the Sultan Ceremonial. I'll swap it for the Steaming Translator. There you go. Ooh! There's a Steaming Translator. Da 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 da. However, I don't particularly like it. So I might go back to the other stuff, or I might do a completely different video. Maybe maybe go something completely different, like a galvanized gibbous with a neutron star and something else with a that's Hellfire with a Hellfire, a Hellfire and a neutron star. That's actually a pretty fucking groovy effect, isn't it? A Hellfire and a neutron star with a pink gibbous hat. Well, you certainly get noticed. So there you go. That's my double effect for the day. We'll go into, maybe if we do some taunts. Shred alert turret. You can see the effect there. So anyway, that's a new double effect just invented, and I'll piece it out to you then today. Peace.